These are the winglets for my 2025 Ducati Panigale V4. And believe it or not, these cost 250 bucks. And for 250 bucks, you get an unpainted set, far from perfect. So obviously the Ducati is not complete without winglets, but believe it or not, when I crashed, the winglets acted like frame sliders. They didn't snap. They were so durable that they just sheared. I'm not 100% sure what they make these out of, but they are extremely durable. All right, let's drill these holes out. Now we're coming in with a bigger bit. All right, now we'll use a Dremel to get this a little bit larger. And this is the back plate. I do have to drill 2 holes here. This goes on the back side, just like that. All right, wipe this off real quick. Washer and nut goes on the other side. All right, do the same thing on the other side. All right, there we go. She's almost ready for paint. So the last time you guys saw the Ducati, the radiator fans were acting up because obviously they broke when I crashed them. They were giving us a ton of Christmas lights, but now they have been fixed. Kind of. All right, you guys want to see the most jigsaw thing you could ever do? So a 2025 Ducati Panigale V4. Okay, so one of the fins broke on both sides. And then like a genuine Ducati one is like almost 300 bucks. But I pulled this off and I started testing it on one of my batteries. Anyway, look. I was like, you know what? It's not spinning correctly because there's 7 fans and it's unbalanced. So I just broke off another one. And I did it to both sides, look. So that was the broken one right there. And I was like, you know what? I'll just break one off on the other side. It'll spin correctly, and it does. It freaking works. Now we also have winglets on the Panigale, and I was gonna drop it off to get painted, but I've since realized that these fairings are not the best quality. You can see the cracks there, some more cracking over here, chip right here, and realistically, I don't want to crash this bike again after paying for paint. Because the truth is, I'm still very much afraid of this bike. In the last 3 weeks or so, we've been steadily getting it back together. I also bought a Yamaha R9. I do have a track day coming up on the Panigale, so I think the best way to get over our fears is to just go out and ride it. Welcome back to Adobe Moto. So before we go out on a ride, let's thank the sponsor of today's video, which is BetterHelp. Sometimes we just need somebody to talk to, and that somebody isn't always a friend or a family member. I've been running Adobe Moto for a couple of years full time now, and it has led me to travel a lot, and being away from home or my garage office, it can get pretty lonely. Now, there are times where motorcycles bring me peace and help me get away from stress, but there's times where I just don't want to ride my bike, and that's when I log into BetterHelp. You can do it from a desktop or use the mobile app. There's literally hundreds of therapists that are ready to help you, especially when you're not feeling like yourself. Like those days when I have to decide whether I like doing this anymore or not. I feel very fortunate to be able to do this for a living, but the stresses of running a business like content creation can sometimes get the best of you. What I love about BetterHelp is you can use them practically anywhere and anytime. Your therapist will not only listen, they'll also ask questions and help you see things from a new perspective, which sometimes that may be all you need. Like a couple weeks ago when I was complaining about this job, and a therapist from BetterHelp helped me realize how good life is. Not just because I get to ride bikes for a living, but because I'm healthy. And on top of that, I get to help brands like BetterHelp with their mission to make starting therapy easier. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or go to betterhelp.com/adobemoto for 10% off your first month of therapy. BetterHelp, thanks for sponsoring today's video. Now it's time for some motorcycle therapy.
All right, we're in traffic. This bike feels completely different from the R9. So much torque, so much power. So high off the ground, so aggressive, so very much a track freaking focus machine. You know, it is what it is. Am I still scared of it? The scare is starting to dwindle, and you know, I really want to ride this bike hard again. So the only way to get over the scare factor is to ride the damn bike. Woo. I still haven't fixed the fans. I mean, not like a true fix. You can hear that buzzing. That's the uneven fans. But hey, they're spinning. I need to put this back onto sport mode because I want to monitor the heat. But this bike is getting freaking hot, bro, if I'm not moving. New gas. Alright, I'm gonna stop way at the end. I love this bike so damn much, Roots. Yeah, let's go get gas. Made it to the gas station. $5.19 a gallon. Holy shice. 3.3. That should be good. All right, onward and onward. Oh my god. There goes my fans again. At least they work. Bike is freaking gnarly though, dude. Woo! Feeling good. I'm feeling good right now. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're feeling it. This bike is so damn fast, dude. My god. Trying to concentrate. It's hard riding a bike fast a bunch of times. Woo! I just gotta trust my skill, you know? Just like this bike has so much torque, dude. I'm trying not to fight it and just let it do its thing, you know what I mean? Like, gnarly, bro. This bike is gnarly. So freaking stiff too, this bike, dude. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I am digging the R9. The R9, it works with me. It doesn't feel like it's working against me. I don't know, man. Again, I still got a lot of jitters to like shake off on this bike, Roots. So much power. I have to trust that my tires are gonna grip. I just don't trust myself or this bike. Or at least like on this bike, you know? R9, bro. I trust it. This one? It's all good, man. We got the full suit on, so be alright. This light screws everything up. I hate this light. This bike is so freaking fast, bro. My god. Yeah, this bike scared the shit out of me. I need to put it on like freaking shit mode, bro. Like less power. Oh, I don't think this bike is gonna work with me. I gotta take it back to the track. That's the only way, man. I was riding so good too. Gosh. And to be honest, it's been like 3 weeks since I got on this bike. Just not used to it. Not like I've been riding the R9 around, putting miles on that. This one, not so much. Oh yeah, dude. Woo! Here we go. Nice and slow through this turn. Woo! Oh, this bike is so tall too. Gosh. Throttle is so sensitive. Okay, let's lean this over. Okay. Staying on the out. Okay. We'll just keep it in second. Okay. Party lives! Couple of them. Nice and easy. These cars like to go through that double yellow just as much as we do. Okay. My heart is beating. This bike scares the shit out of me, bro. Trying to stay within my lane. White van. Just trying to take these corners super chill, man. I ain't trying to do anything crazy. Yeah. Second is enough. That was fun. Oh, this bike is so fun. Whew. Gonna stay? It's so upright. I feel like the wind, like a gust of wind is just gonna blow it down. Yo, the Glucati. We're almost there, broads. Almost freaking there. Whew. It's hot. I'm like sitting here waiting for cars to be done coming from this way, but it's not happening. There goes my fans. My unbalanced fans. We might have a little window here. Keep it in second, nothing crazy. Out in the mountain. We're not even at the track. We're in the canyons. Concentrate. Stop talking to yourself. Talking to myself loses my concentration too. Believe it or not. Imagine talking to yourself and trying to ride a bike as well as possible. Like you're doing multiple things at once. Oh god, this front end is so freaking light. When I switch corners, like switch sides, it's just like you gotta try to be as smooth with it as possible. There's no room for error too because there's cars on the other side, so I gotta be careful not to go wide. There's just a lot going on here, and I'm talking. This is annoying. If I could just like, I mean I can. But what would be the point of this video? It feels good though, I'm getting a little bit more confidence. Leaning it over, hanging off. Again, trying to stay within the lanes because right now there's just cars everywhere. Woo! And then this road is not the smoothest. And of course, we caught these damn cars. But that's okay. We're getting it back. I just gotta get my legs back. Alright, Drew's gonna try the Glucati. Fuck it.
Yeah, I haven't ridden it since it was like the V4A.
You crashed yours, right?
Huh?
You crashed yours.
Yeah, I totaled my 6R. Now I have 10.
Oh, fuck.
25 black 10.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
It's a gorgeous bike.
Yeah, wow.
It's fun.
That all black is fucking gnarly, dude.
That's what I want to get next. It's the all black.
Trying to put the miles in, break-in period.
Hell yeah. I almost got 1,000 on the R9.
Damn.
He said, damn, you would have gotten that in a day, dude. It takes me a whole month to get 1,000 miles.
Yeah, it's because half the time you're making videos or you're fixing up the Ducati.
I know. I've just got the winglets on today, paint on Wednesday.
That's good. Yeah, I shouldn't be on this thing.
It's a fun bike, man.
That is insane.
Yeah.
The length of the gearing is ridiculous. It's I should stick to the R9 or the 600.
Yeah.
That's way too enjoyable, but it does suck because I like the 6 because I can really rip it out here and I can get on it. This, I can't. I'm just afraid to get on it.
Yeah, you don't need to do much to it. Trying to be smooth with it because there's so much torque is the most difficult thing.
Eventually, like, not a V4, but a ZX10. But it's like,
Okay, that is it on the Ducati for now. I just wanted to show you guys the setup. This is a full race fairings from S2 Concepts, and yes, their Instagram looks like these are really nice, but in person, they're actually, I don't know, I think they're just made for like more lightweight savings. Because again, the quality is not that good. On their product description, it says there's some kind of gloss paint on top of these, but I don't know, it's just really rough. Like, that is how it came out of the box. But from a distance, it actually does not look that bad. Like I said, we are going to take this back to the track in a couple of days. I'm going to run it again in the canyons and probably just ride it all weekend just so I can get used to it. If you guys follow my Instagram, you probably know that I've been riding my R9 a lot, and the Ducati has just been chilling. Also, I bought a 1290 Super Duke R.